Account reconciliations are time-consuming, painful, and error-prone. They're also critically important to your business. Most companies do these manually. Others employ technology like RPA or rules-based systems. But these approaches are expensive to set up, break easily, not very accurate, and are costly to maintain. What if software could quickly and easily match transactions with high accuracy and at scale? This is why we built Sigma IQ. Our platform is a new approach to account reconciliations, using advancements in artificial intelligence and hosted software. Sigma IQ is data source and data format agnostic, so we can reconcile hundreds of different types of accounts. Reconciling a new period is as simple as clicking on the New Reconciliation button within the current account. Reconciliations can run on a schedule or on demand. The account overview shows you status, balance roll forward, and exception aging. One click takes you to the transaction detail. The data grid is very flexible and an easy way to review transactions and manage exceptions. You can move and sort columns, search for specific transactions, manually match or unmatch, add a note, and export any part of the reconciliation for analysis or posting. Submitting the reconciliation means it's ready for review and approval, which also locks the period. Setting up a new account in Sigma IQ is so simple you can be up and running in less than a day. Start by clicking on the New Account button and add the details about this new reconciliation use case. Next, upload 2 CSV source files from a prior period already matched reconciliation. These can be in any layout or data format. No ETL required. This already completed reconciliation contains the intelligence that Sigma IQ extracts using machine learning, a form of AI, to understand the direct and indirect relationships between the datasets. No other account reconciliation platform can be set up so easily or with so little staff time. Sigma IQ was built to handle enterprise-level account reconciliations the way they should be: simple, fast, and accurate. We are the only platform that can prove it to you before you buy. Schedule a demo today with Sigma IQ using either our data or your data to see how you can save hundreds of hours on account reconciliations.